How to create a shop on Instagram. Hey, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create a shop on Instagram. Instagram shop is a feature that allows e-commerce brands to create digital shareable catalog of their products right on Instagram. So for this you have to open your Instagram app. Right now here you have to tap on the profile icon. You can see there is no shop showing it on my page. So first you have to do is change your Instagram account from personal to business, because the shop is for the business account, not for personal account. For the business account you have to do is tap on the edit profile. Here you have to tap on switch to professional account. Tap on the continue. You have to choose any category from which you have doing some type of work. Okay, there is a clothing shop, there is a digital education, any type of healthy or any type of. You have to choose according to your brand. So I'm choosing here blogger. Okay, done. Here you have to choose business, because the shop is for the businesses accounts, not for creators. So here I'm going to choose business. Okay, next. If you want to add your Gmail, your contact number, any type of your business address, you can add here. And then you have to do is next and then continue. If you want to add your Facebook with the Instagram, so you have to do is continue. Here I'm not going to add my Facebook, so I'm there tapping on not now. Okay, I will complete these things later. I'm going to change this, and there is that welcome, go to profile. Okay, you can see my page has been converted into a professional business page. So now for the shop you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines in the upper right corner. Here you have to choose setting and privacy. Here you can see that there is an option of business and ad tools. Tap on it. Okay. Here you will get the option of link profile to your shop. So here you can see that there is a shop option, and you will add your link with your shop, and then your Instagram page will link with your shop. Okay, and then there is one more setting you have to do is tap on the profile again. Here you have to add the link of your brand or anything which you are going to sell. So you have to add your link, and then after this you have to tap on the action button. Here you have to select a button and add your information here too. So in this way it will show on your profile, and the customers will be able to directly contact with you. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.